Tony T. Aplacador, the Principal 2 of Tapilon National High School, Mr. Rafael A. Viloria, esteemed school head, honored guests, respected teachers, beloved parents, families, friends, and my dear fellow graduates, good evening. Today, as we stand proudly as the graduating class of 2026, our hearts are filled with deep gratitude. This achievement is not ours alone. Behind every medal, every smile, and every step forward are people who believed in us, guided us, and never gave up on us. Our journey here at Pantao Elementary School has been more than just learning from books. Saksi ang skulahan sa atong pagtubo, pagkaton ug pagbago. We face challenges that sometimes seem too difficult to overcome, and there were moments when we doubted ourselves. To my fellow graduates, look at how far we have come. From simple beginnings, from small steps, we now stand ready to take on bigger dreams. To our school head, Mr. Alexander Dinoval, and teacher, Mrs. Michelle Armelin Dress, thank you for creating a safe and nurturing environment where we could learn, grow, and dream. You have all played an important role in shaping who we are today. To our dear parents, thank you for your unconditional love and endless sacrifices. You have been our first teachers, our protectors, and our strongest foundation. You stayed up late to help us, work hard to provide for us, and never stopped encouraging us even when we felt tired and unsure. Ma Janet, dear Renan, daghang salamat sa inyong walay buas nga gugma ug sakripisyo. Kamo ang among kusog ug inspirasyon sa tanang among gihimo. To my friends, Julia, Jenica, Elaine, and my classmates, thank you for the laughter, the shared struggles, and the unforgettable memories. You made our journey lighter and more meaningful. As graduates, we also thank those who may not be seen every day but have been part of our journey. Our parents, guardians, mentors, and even those who pray for our success. Each of you has contributed to this milestone in ways words can never fully express. To my fellow graduates, padayon lang ta sa pagpaningkamot o pagtuos sa atong kaugalingon. Bisan unsa pa ang atong magian, dili ta moatras, kay ang kalampusan moabot ra sa hustong panahon. As we move forward, we carry not only our dreams, but also the hopes of those who believe in us. There will be challenges ahead, but we are ready. We promise to do our best, to stand with integrity, and to become individuals who will make you proud. This is not the end of our journey. It is only the beginning. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for being part of our story, our struggles, and our success. With heartfelt gratitude, Janelle May Montanes with high honor.